linking words or conjunctions or connecting words in Persian. Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. Some friends asked me to make a video about linking words, connecting words in Farsi or Persian language. So I decided to record a video about these connecting words, and in each video we're going to focus only on a linking word. And today we're going to focus on ke, because it seems that this linking word is a bit challenging for you. Well, let's start the lesson. What is a linking word or connecting word? These words connect or link two words, phrases, or sentences. In Persian, we have two types of linking words. By the way, linking words in Persian is حروف ربط or حروف پیوند. Okay, let's see the two different types of linking words in Persian. 1. Linking words of dependent clauses. A depend clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb, but does not express a complete thought or meaning. So we need the main clause, the independent clause, to complete the meaning. And these two clauses makes a compound sentence. And the linking words in Persian comes at the beginning of the dependent clause. In Persian or Farsi, we called these linking words حروف ربط وابسته ساز. حروف ربط وابسته ساز. Got it? Okay, let's see some of these linking words. که تا چون Zira. Zira and chon are synonym, but zira used in formal and in written Persian. Agar. In spoken Farsi, we pronounce this word like age. Age. با اینه که. تا اینه که. همینه که. گرچه. Also, this is formal and used in written Persian. Now, let's talk about the second type of linking words, coordinating conjunctions. In this type, two words or sentences will connect together with a conjunction. And the conjunction comes between the two independent sentence. What is an independent sentence? It's a sentence that have a complete thought and meaning by itself, and there is no other sentence to complete the meaning. In Persian, these type of linking words are called حروف ربط همپایه ساز. حروف ربط همپایه ساز. Such as و, یا, اما, ولی. Amma and vali are synonym. Well, as I said at the beginning of the video, I'm going to talk about ke. Ke belongs to the type 1 of the linking words. So if you want to learn about other linking words, such as ta, ba, inke, agar, and blah blah blah, make sure subscribe to Learn Persian with Asal and follow the lessons. By the way, I have launched my Patreon account, so if you want to support me more, please visit my Patreon, and you can find the link in the description. Okay, let's start with about ke. The first usage of this linking word in sentences is expression of purpose and reason. Let's see an example. من به فروشگاه رفتم که کمی گوشت بخرم. من به فروشگاه رفتم که کمی گوشت بخرم. من به فروشگاه رفتم که کمی گوشت بخرم. من به فروشگاه رفتم. I went to the store. Sometimes you can use که to express your reason or purpose. Why I went to the store? What was the reason that I went to the store? که. Now the second sentence shows your reason. کمی گوشت بخرم. Buying some meat was my purpose, my reason to go to the store. So I show it with the linking word که. Another example. به غزل زنگ زدم که دعوتش کنم. به غزل زنگ زدم که دعوتش کنم. به غزل زنگ زدم که دعوتش کنم. Now here, why I call غزل? What was the reason? که. So the sentence that comes after که shows my reason. دعوتش کنم. Invite her. Now pay attention. The dependent sentence that starts with که always comes after the main clause or sentence. It means that you can't switch these two sentences. And one more thing. In this usage, in expressing your purpose or reason, the verb that comes after که, or in other words, the verb that is in the dependent clause, conjugates in subjunctive mood. What is subjunctive mood? I have talked about this in a video. I put the link here. You can go and watch it. In Persian, we say التزامی. Let me show you in these two examples. بخرم. بخرم is conjugated in subjunctive mood. Or کنم. It was بکنم, but you can also in this situation omit the letter ب and you say کنم. بکنم or کنم. Let's see the other usage of که in sentences. The second usage is description and explanation about a noun or something. Let's see an example. مردی که دیروز دیدی دکتره. مردی که دیروز دیدی دکتره. مردی که دیروز دیدی دکتره. I use the linking word که to explain more about the man. Who are you talking about? That you saw yesterday, that you met yesterday. I got it, yes. Well, he's a doctor. So, you see, I use که here to describe and explain more about the noun مرد or man in English. مردی که, now explain, دیروز دیدی دکتره. Or in other example. شیما که همسایمونه تازه نامزد کرده. شیما که همسایمونه تازه نامزد کرده. شیما که همسایمونه تازه نامزد کرده. Here, after که, I explain more about شیما. شیما. Which شیما? Who? همسایمونه. Our neighbor. So, شیما که, now explain more about شیما. همسایمونه. Our neighbor. She's our neighbor. Well, okay, yes, I got it. Who is she? Now, تازه نامزد کرده. Just got engaged. This usage of که is very similar to English. For example, in English we say, the car that is over there, the man who is wearing a coat. You see? Exactly, we use the same thing in Persian with the linking word که. Now, the third usage of که is expression of simultaneity. Let's see an example. داشتم. توی پارک ورزش می کردم که بارون اومد. داشتم توی پارک ورزش می کردم که بارون اومد. I was exercising in a park. Then it started raining. You were doing something, but at the same time, something happened. So, expression of simultaneity. Another example. داشتم غذا میخوردم که تلفن زنگ زد. داشتم غذا میخوردم که تلفن زنگ زد. داشتم غذا میخوردم که تلفن زنگ زد. While I was eating, the telephone rang. Happens at the same time. You can use که, then talk about the action or the event that happens while you were doing something. These were the three main usage of که, and I suggest you that make a sentence for each one. Expression of purpose and reason, describing or explaining more about a noun, and expressions of simultaneity. Share them in comments. I will check all your answers. At the end, I'm going to give you some verbs that you can use که after them, but also you can omit که. The meaning will not change and both forms are correct. For example, these three verbs, گفتن, گفتن, to say, دیدن, دیدن, to see, and شنیدن, شنیدن, to hear. You can use که, the word که, after these three verbs, but also you can omit it. Let me show you in some examples. With the verb گفتن, دوستم گفت که دیروز به سینما رفته. دوستم گفت که دیروز به سینما رفته. It was رفته asked, but in a spoken Persian we usually omit asked. We just say رفته. دوستم گفت که دیروز به سینما رفته. As I said, you can omit که. دوستم گفت دیروز به سینما رفته. دوستم گفت دیروز به سینما رفته. The meaning won't change. It depends on you. You can say که or don't say که. Now with the verb شنیدن. بلند حرف نزن. میشنوه که چی داری میگی. بلند حرف نزن. میشنوه که چی داری میگی. بلند حرف نزن. میشنوه که چی داری میگی. Also you can omit که. بلند حرف نزن. میشنوه چی داری میگی. Now your turn. Can you give me an example with the verb دیدن that you can omit که in that sentence? Write them in comments. Well guys, I will finish the video here. So for other linking words, make sure subscribe to Learn Persian with Asal. I'm going to teach you and tell you in details each linking words in a video, in a separate video. So stay tuned. So I'm going to give you more videos about linking words. And also, if you want to support me more, you can visit my Patreon and join into my Patreon. I really appreciate it. بوس با کله هاتون. I'm Asal. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.